Hello guys, welcome my channel. How are you? I am fine. Today I am the give you the full detail of content insurance. What is in content insurance and how does using the content insurance? I will give you the full realization and full detail of content insurance. First, you will watch the full videos and then summarize of all video contents, and they are you can of all features and many other contents are saving, utilizing, and many other conjugation are here to protections. These protection means are available to these conjugation has been mother the goods and news and relating the how do content insurance be policy the type insurance coverage for the content and may the home coverage is the some time of knowledge content insurance, but it is the useful description is almost insurance policies and the personal protection coverage. Content insurance help the pay replace and replace to personal belong they are strong and damaged by the coverage of person you can fire the so that you can some breaks and into the home states and many other recreation laptops and coating features has been mother fire and mother sailor imported the universal types of coverage they are using the so much policies and meant to pay coverage claim you can see better personalities and need the claim read learn about how can content insurance one coverage the limited and some thinking of customers. A protection coverage of SLKs of value versus the replacement of cars we can purchasing the home memberships and relating customers and insurance policies has been with the types of allow you can choose between the two personal protections and coverage help the protection content you can home activity cars of value replacement of cause replacement of cost coverage help remember you can cost replacement damage and many other small types of qualities actually cast the values of coverage your initial package you can cast the values a content your insurance but the factor is you are deltals and say here he is example how can this coverage work say the life insurance claim after the fire replacements you can our protection what about the time of different variance policies they are replacement the cause of coverage like protection economy coverage you can purchasing the many the replacement of the same qualities today we use keep in the middle they are choosing of replacement and coverage of the policies many. This is the today video finish. Today video topic is content insurance. This is the full detail of content insurance. Inshallah I will make your next video tomorrow. तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाजत अल्लाह हाफिज इंशाल्लाह फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ मुलाकात होता है. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग एंड सपोर्टिंग मी. अल्लाह हाफिज.